Christmas time means shopping time. From gift hunting to soaking in the holiday atmosphere, Christmas shopping is a major part of the festive season. Today, we'll explore some key English words and phrases to help you talk about holiday shopping. Ready? Let's dive in. First up, we have the holiday rush. This phrase describes the busiest time of year for shopping, when stores are crowded, lines are long, and everyone seems to be on the hunt for that perfect gift. The holiday rush starts in late November and builds up right until Christmas Eve. And during this time, the biggest thing everyone looks for is a deal. A deal means you're getting a good price on an item. Around Christmas, you'll see plenty of sales and discounts in the shops, sometimes even better than on Black Friday. You might spot signs for 50% off, buy one, get one free, or simply Christmas sale. These all mean you're saving money, and they're one of the biggest reasons that stores get so crowded. If you find a really low price, that's called a bargain. A bargain is an item that feels like a real win because it's cheaper than usual. Shoppers love bargains, especially during Christmas. So, if you find a bargain, you'll want to snap it up. This phrase means to buy it quickly before someone else does. During the holiday season, bargains disappear fast. Now let's talk about gifts. A gift or present is something you buy for someone else, and they're a huge part of Christmas. Gifts can range from stocking fillers, which are small, fun items, to the big main present, which might be the gift someone's been hoping for all year. When you've chosen all your gifts, you'll head to the checkout to pay. To check out means to finish shopping and pay for your items, whether in a store or online. Don't forget to keep your receipt, which is your proof of purchase. Many people hold on to their receipts during the holidays in case they need to exchange or return a gift later. Of course, there are always last-minute shoppers. These are people who wait until just before Christmas to buy their gifts. Last-minute shopping can be exciting, but also stressful. It's common to see shops open later during the final days before Christmas to help last-minute shoppers find what they need. Many people avoid the stress by making a Christmas list before heading out to shop. A Christmas list is a list of gifts you plan to buy for family, friends, or even colleagues. Having a list can make Christmas shopping easier and more organized. Some people also have a wish list for things they'd like to receive as gifts themselves. Now, once you've bought your gifts, it's time to wrap them. Wrapping gifts with festive paper, ribbons and bows adds that extra Christmas touch. Wrapping can be an art form, with some people spending hours carefully wrapping each gift to make it look perfect. And finally, all wrapped gifts are usually placed under the Christmas tree until Christmas Day. The excitement of watching loved ones unwrap gifts is one of the best parts of the holiday. So, whether you're bargain hunting, battling the holiday rush, or just enjoying the festive atmosphere, we hope these words will help you talk about Christmas shopping like a pro. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and download your Christmas shopping vocabulary PDF.